Less gardening work and more relaxation with a smart garden. While some hobby gardeners enjoy their work in the garden, gardening is generally a hassle for most people. If you fall into the second category, it's time to include a little more technology into your landscape and consider creating a smart garden. You will discover what is already feasible and what actually makes sense in the paragraphs that follow. Robots that mow. Robotic lawnmowers, which start at just a few €100, are frequently the first step in creating a smart garden. The little lawnmowers roam around the garden on their own, trimming the grass to the right length. A mowing robot positions itself while traversing an area on the so-called boundary cables or boundary wires, which are fastened to the ground via cable connectors and clamps. The mowing robot returns to its base station when its battery runs out of power or it starts to rain. The grass is uniformly cut to the same height throughout the lawn when the mower traverses it, making it appear even better kept. The following are all advantages in a glance. Mowing robots automatically handle the frequently tiresome and time-consuming yard work. Particularly suitable for those who suffer from allergies or back issues. Robots that mow lawns are quiet, emission-free, and take up less room. With this kind of mowing, the chopped grass is left on the lawn and acts as mulch, adding nutrients to the soil. The turf becomes denser and less thatch forms as a result of regular mowing. Irrigation techniques. Watering lawns, flowers, plants, and flower beds can be time-consuming and difficult if you need to drag a meter-long hose across the garden or carry numerous watering cans, especially in the summer. The so-called smart garden irrigation systems, which come in a variety of variations and greatly simplify and improve gardening, are the answer to this problem. For less than €150, a straightforward irrigation system that operates 1 or 2 lawn sprinklers is available. You might possibly spend significantly more than €1,000, depending on the size of the garden and your particular needs. A quick summary of all advantages. Irrigation systems automatically water plants, even on holidays. Particularly appropriate for people with physical disabilities. Sensors calculate how much water the plants actually require, preventing water waste and the risk of drowned plants. Conserving water is good for the environment as well as your wallet. More clever gardening tools. There are a variety of other options to upgrade your garden in addition to automated lawnmowers and irrigation systems, like programs that use smartphones to control lights, cameras, intercoms, and motion detectors. Here, you may capture films, make intercom calls, and lower the lights in your home or yard. An app defines a user's level of security so, for instance, if motion detectors pick up a strange activity in the yard, a video recording is made. This increases the security and convenience of the smart garden. If you need more information, just click the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.